In this video, I will show how to create sales forecast tracker for small business in Excel. So open Excel, then new and search this one, sales forecast tracker small business. Then click on create. So here you will see this ready to use template. Just edit and customize as your need. You can select anything here. So here you will see your result month by month, and this is the list. You can edit and modify as your need. So easy to use, guys. This is a simple. Type your company name and edit these all data as your need. So thanks for watching.